Stop wasting hours manually formatting spreadsheets, hunting down broken formulas, or copy-pasting data row by row. What if an AI agent could do all of that heavy lifting for you directly inside your spreadsheet? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at a tool called GPT for Work, located at gptforwork.com. It is designed to bring the power of advanced AI models like GPT 5.5 and Opus 4.8 straight into Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. Essentially, GPT for Work turns your spreadsheets into an automated data assistant. Instead of jumping back and forth between ChatGPT and your browser, you can prompt the AI right where your data lives. It works in two main ways. First, you can just type what you need in plain English. The AI agent can write formulas, fix errors, format cells, build pivot tables, and analyze trends on the spot. Second, you can use specialized functions like GPT right inside your cells to dynamically generate, translate, or classify content based on other cells in your sheet. But the real magic happens when you need to do things at scale. If you have thousands of rows of messy data, GPT for Work has a bulk processing feature. You write one simple prompt template for a column, and the agent applies it to every single row independently. This is perfect for cleaning up messy customer lists, translating product descriptions into multiple languages, categorizing feedback, or enriching company data. It can handle up to 1,000 answers per minute, up to hundreds of thousands of rows in Google Sheets, and up to 1,000,000 rows in Excel. Now, let's talk about what users actually think. While independent third-party reviews outside of the official app stores are somewhat limited, the user feedback on the official marketplaces is incredibly strong. On Google Sheets, it has over 7 million installations and a 4.8-star rating from over 4,000 users. On Excel, it holds a 4.5-star rating. Users, from SEO managers to tech founders, praise it for completely changing their workflows, especially for bulk tasks like content generation and data cleaning. On the flip side, because it relies on advanced AI models, very complex reasoning tasks might still require some prompt tweaking. And since independent external reviews are limited, you'll want to test it with your specific data to see how it handles your unique formulas. Overall, if you spend your day working with spreadsheets, GPT for Work is one of those rare AI tools that easily earns its place in your daily workflow. It's fast, highly integrated, and incredibly powerful. You can get started for free to test it out yourself. Head over to gptforwork.com to try it today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and let me know in the comments how you plan to use AI in your spreadsheets. See you in the next video.